take away, double the number m from 20. Double the number m, it will be twice m. Subtract from 20, write 20 minus 2m. Question number 2. The volume of the cube each length 4 centimeter. Volume, it means side by side by side. It will be side power 3. The cube of side 4 power 3. The result will be 4 power 3. It will be 64. Right here, 4 power 3. Next question, number 3. 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. We have 3 times itself 5 times. It will be 3 power 5. Okay, choose here 3 power 5. Question number 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It means 3 times 5. Because 3 here eat to itself 5 times. It means 3 times 5. Number 5. The value of the expression 5m divided by 3 from m equals 6. Put m equals 6 in this expression to find the value. Okay, we have here 5m divided by 3 at m equals 6. Then put m equals 6 here. 5 multiplication by 6 divided by 3. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 divided by 3, it will be equal 10. The result here will be 10. Okay, it's question number 5. The result here will be 10. Question here number 4. Question number 6. Okay, number 6. The first operation you perform is the expression 6 plus 5 power 3 subtract by 4 in brackets divided by 4. The first operation here, exponent. We must find the result about 5 power 3. Choose letter C here, exponent first. Question number 7. The first operation you perform is the expression 6 plus 5 power 3 subtract 4 divided by 2. First operation here, division. You must find the result in this brackets first. Parentheses first, exponent next. Multiplication and division in the same step. Addition and subtraction from left hand side to left hand side, right hand side, left hand side, right hand side. First come first serve here, division. Okay, choose letter D. You must solve divide first operation. Question number 9 here. 7 cubed add to 6 squared, it will be what? 7 cubed, it's meaning 7 power 3. Add 2, it's meaning plus. 6 squared, 6 power 2. Question number 10. Rosanna saved X pounds. Mr. Mahmoud Al-Khuli give her 20 pounds. Then she have now what? She was have what? X pounds. Rosina saved X pounds. Then she has now X pounds. And the Mr. Mahmoud give her 20 pounds. Then the total with her it will be X plus 20 pounds now. X plus 20. Choose letter C. Question number 11. If X plus 5 equal 8, then 3x equal what? We can find the value of X here. X will be 3 because 3 plus 5 equal 8. Then we want to find the value of 3x. It's meaning 3 multiplication the value of X. 3 times 3, it will be 9. The result here, it will be 9. Next question, number 12. A number, if added to 5 results is 17, then the number will, but no, we will write X reversed to the number. Added to 5, the result will be 17, then X here will be 12, because 12 plus 5 equals 17. Question 13. Space is the solution of the inequality D greater than 15. Which number greater than 15 here? We must choose 20. 20 is greater than. Choose letter C here. Next question number 14. Space is the solution of the inequality D greater than or equal to 15. We must choose 16 and 20 and 15. So you must choose letter D, all of them. Okay, choose letter D about question number 14. The result will be letter D, all of them, because 15, 16, 20 is greater than or equal to 15. Question number 15 here. The mode of 7, 9, 7, 8, 7, 6, 7, 10, it will be what? It will be 7, because 7 is the most number repeating here. Question 16. All dot plots have following characters except what? We have letter A dot plot should have titles. Letter B dot plot should have data graphed above number line. It's true. The number lines dot plots should start at 0. No, it's not all the time. No. So except what? Except letter C. It's false. Not all time right 0. We must start in any times such that 20, 21, 1, 2, 3, as you like about this example. So the number lines in dot plot should start it by 0. No, it's false. You must choose letter C. He talk about dot plots. Dot plots not because we have a straight line. A straight line beginning by any numbers in it because we have infinity numbers in it. Okay. Question 17. Space has two axes, horizontal and vertical. Histogram, yes, and bar graph and double bar graph. Then we can choose about question 17, letter D, all of them. Question 18. The question, what are students' favorite colors? It's what? It will be what? Can you tell me the result here? Statistical questions, because he asked about what are the students' favorite colors. Asked all students because we have a lot of solutions or different solutions about this example. Then question 18, it will be statistical. Choose letter E. It will be statistical questions because we have the different answers. Okay, about question 18, statistical because we have different answers. Okay, different answers. Okay, next 19. The range equals the greatest value subtract by smallest value. Question 20. The best subset from number 5, it will be what? Counting number. Okay, choose letter A about 20. The best subset from the number will be counting number. Okay, the set of 5.2 polling to this number polling to counting number. The best subset from the set of 5.2, it will be subset from counting numbers. Question 21. Again, the best subset from 5 number. 5 here, it will be counting. Okay, letter A is the best subset from 5.2. Again, question 20, we have here 20, choose letter A. 21, the best subset from 5.2, it will be rational number, choose letter B, because we have decimal number, and any decimal number belonging to rational number, it shows letter B about question 21. Question 21, rational numbers, it shows letter B. Okay, next question. Question 22 is a set of counting numbers space set of rational number, it will be what subset? Set of counting numbers such that 1, 2, 3, 4, subset from rational number, subset. Okay, choose letter C about question 22, it will be subset. Question 23, the set of integers space the set of natural number, integers subset or not subset? Not subset of natural number or subset. We have integers negative and positive and 0, but natural number beginning by 0 to infinity, so it will be not subset. Choose letter D. Okay, here not subset, not subset. Question 24, negative 5 space the subset of rational number. Negative 5 belonging to the rational number, because negative 5 we can write it negative 5 over 1. Then this number belonging to rational numbers. Choose letter E. Belong to. Okay, choose belong. Okay, next question 25. R is 9 times B added to twice M. Okay, R equal 9B twice M, then R will be 2M plus 9B. Choose letter B here. Next question number 26 is the equation y equal, question here number 26 is the equation y equal x plus 1 if the output is 1. Output here 1, then x will be 0 because 0 plus 1 equal 1. Then x will be 0. Choose letter D because they give us the output but input x here will be 0, then the result will be 0. Question 27. The order pair which satisfies the rule y equal 3 product by x plus 1. We have 0 and 0. No, it's false, because 0 plus 1, it will be 1. Okay, 0 and 0 not satisfies this equation. But here 0 and 4 not belong to y, because if we put x equals 0 here, 0 times 3 equals 0 plus 1 equals 1. And what about negative 1 and 0? Put negative 1 here, it will be negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1, it will be negative 2, so it will be not belong to y. And what about 1 and 4? If we put x equal 1 here in this equation, 1 times 3 equals 3, 3 plus 1 equals 4. In this point, it will be satisfies the equation belonging to y. Okay. Next question. Choose letter D. Okay. Question 28. Which of the following data hasn't any outliers? Any outliers? It alters reverse two numbers, which. Okay. What about this outlier? Outlier, it's meaning we have the point has a long distance between this number and a lot of groups, and all groups it will be nearest them. But you must choose here letter C. Okay, letter C. We haven't here any outlier. We haven't here outlier because all numbers with nearest to them. But question letter A, the outlier here was 17, and here, okay, 17 here, and the outlier here with 204, and letter D, the outlier will be 1000. Okay, but letter C, we haven't here any outlier. Question 29. Here, Yusuf eat at least 3 oranges. Then Yusuf may eat space what he at least it will be x less than, at least it will be greater than or equal to 3, at least 3 oranges. See, then Yusuf ate 3 or 5 or 12, all of them. It shows letter D. It's all numbers can satisfy this inequality. Okay, you must choose all of them. Next question number 30. Here, Layan has 25 pounds and Maya has more money than Layan. Then Maya has space. Maya, you can find the result with Maya here about this question number 30. She has now 25 pounds and Maya has more money than Laya. So then 25 less than what in all equation? This number choose letter A. No, it choose letter C. So it will maybe has 100, because 100 greater than 100 greater than 25. He tell us Layan has 25 pounds and Maya has more money than Layan. Then Maya has what? Maya has more than Lian. What is the number greater than 25? 100. 100 greater than 25. Okay. Next question, number 31. Ziad has 16 candies and Karim has less candies than Ziad. Then Karim may has the number less than 16 here, 12 be 10. Shows letter C about question 31, because 10 less than this number, 10 less than 16. Question 32. Here, Jana put 6 Preto, Joyce and Muhammad put same number more than Mahmoud, maybe what? More than this number. Same number or more than? Same number or more than, it will be 6 or 12 or 100. Then you must choose all of them. Choose D. We can write this expression here, this word problems, or convert it to the inequality such that x greater than or equal to 6, because Jana put 6 sparrow and Mahmoud more than number, more than, it will be greater than this number, okay, or equal to the same, it will be equal to more than or equal to, okay, this word the same number or more than, it will be equal to greater than or equal to 6, okay. Then the result will be 6, 12, 100, all of them. Choose letter D about question 32. Question 33. Here, all of the following solution equality x less than or equal to negative 8 except what? Who can tell me here? Except here, which number not less than or equal to negative this number? It will be negative 7, because negative 7 is greater than this number. Choose negative 7. Okay. Question 34. In the equation 5x plus 2 equal y, we have equation here. The independent variable here, it will be x. X we called it independent and y dependent. So you must choose x. Here, choose letter C about this question. Question 35. In the equation B equal half of f plus 3, the dependent will be b. B here is dependent, but f independent. Okay. Choose here dependent b. Question 36. The greatest common factor of any two different prime numbers, it will be 1. We call the relatively prime numbers can divide by 1 only, but the least common multiplication between them, it will be their product. Okay, then choose letter B. Question 37. We have 3 over 6 plus 1 over 2. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominator, it will be 6. 3 over 6 and 1 over 2, convert 6 here. 2 times 3 equals 6, 1 times 3 equals 3. It will be 6 over 6 equal 1, because least common multiplication between two denominator is 6. 6 can divide by 2. Then the result here will be 1. Choose letter C. Next question, which of the following is an equation? Equation, it's a relation between two expressions, and write between them the sign equal to. You must equation here, it will be 3c equals c. Question 38. The equation here, it will be 3c equals c. The equation will be equality between two expressions. Next question 39. We have here 2 and m satisfies this equation. It will be belonging to this equation y equal 3x minus 2. It satisfies this equation. You must put x equal 2 and y equal m, because in order the first projection it will be 2 and second projection m. First projection refers to x and second projection refers to y. Put y here equal m, and x it will be 2. 2 times 3 6, 6 minus 2. Then m will be equal 4. Okay, m here will be equal 4. The result about question 39, choose letter D. Okay, question 40. In the equation y equal 2x plus 10, the order pair 3 and n satisfies the equation. Then n will be what? We must put this point here. We have 3 and n satisfies the equation. Then we must put x equal 3 and y equal n. Then n will be equal. Put here y equal n, and here 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 10. Then n will be 16. The result about this example will be 16. Okay, letter C. Question 41. Y is 6 times, y is, it's meaning equal, 6 times h will be 6h, add to 12. Okay. Question 22. Space is called original point. It will be 0 and 0. Question 42. 0 and 0 will be original point. 43. The greatest negative number, it will be negative 1. Question 44. We have 3 over 7. 3 over 7 plus 2 over 5. We can write the least common multiplication between them. It will be 35. And here 35. 5 times 3 equal 15. 2 times 7 equal 14. And then write 35 in the numerator. 29. The result will be 29 over 35. Question here 47. We have 3 product by 5 plus 4 equal 3 product by 5 plus 3 times 4. We use here distributive properties. Then we must write in the first space 4 and second, first here 5 and second 4. Okay, write 5 and 4 here in the space about question 47. Next, question 48. In the equation that y equal 2x plus 3, question 48, y equal 2x plus 3, the order pair 2 and a satisfies the equation. Then put x equal 2 and y equal a. Then a will be equal to x, it's meaning 2 times 2 plus 3. Then a will be 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 3, it will be 7. Then the value of a here, it will be 7. Okay. Question 49. The median of the value, we can find the median by a range of the values ascendingly or descendingly and then find the number in the middle. Okay, 1, 3, I will arrange all numbers here, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 8, 7. We can write 4 here. The median here will be 4. Question 50. We have 50. The median of the value is 10. Then b equal what? We can find the value of b here by a range of the values. First number p plus 1, and then p plus 2 and p plus 3. He tell us the median will be 10. Then b plus 2 equal 10. p plus 2 equal 10. Then b here it will be 8 because 10 minus 2 equal 8. Then b will be equal 8 here. Okay, because 8 plus 2 equal 10. Question here 51. Question 51. The upper quartile of the values m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, m plus 4, m plus 5, k plus 5, where m is positive integer is 16.5, then m equal space. Okay, we have m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, m plus 4, m plus 5. Okay, you must change these letters and write here m. He tell us the upper quartile here. Yes, the upper quartile is 16.5. Where's the upper quartile? We called it will be the median. You remember the steps? We have the median here, and this number m plus 4, it will be upper quartile here. Then m plus 4 equal 16. Where is this example here? 16.5. Okay, equals 16.5. 16 and half. We have again m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, m plus 4, m plus 5. 16.5. He tell us it's a positive integer. Then m plus 4 equals 16.5. Then m will be 16.5 subtract by 4. Then m here will be 12, because 16.5 subtract by 4, it will be nearest to 12 because it tells us positive integer. The positive integer here, it will be what? 12.5? Yeah, equality 12, because it tells us positive. You must cancel the decimal here. Understood? Because it tells us the upper quartile 16 and half. 16 and half subtracted by 4, it will be 12.5, 12 and half. So the nearest number to it 12, because it tells us m is a positive integer. The result will be 12. You must choose 12 here because 12 is nearest to the number here. He could tell us it's a positive integer, not rational number. 15.5 is the rational. So the result will be must be what? 12 only, because it will be integer. Okay. Question 52. All the following are numerical data. Numerical, it's meaning all letters have numbers, but here temperature shows letter D. Temperature, we called it not numerical data, but it will be categorical data. Here temperature. Question 53. The opposite of the number 15, it will be negative 15. Question 54. The additive inverse of this number, negative 4, we know this number, it will be 4. This is the additive inverse, it will be negative 4. You must write here negative 4, choose letter C. Question 55. In the equation x equal 5y plus 3, the dependent variable, it will be x. X here we call it dependent and y independent. Question 56. In the equation 4a plus 24 equal B. The independent variable here, it will be A. A here we called it independent. The result will be A. Okay, choose letter A. Question 57. K equals the product of M and 4. It will be 4M. In the equation, K equal 4M. Okay. Question 58. Which of the following is the equation? Equation to reverse to expression and write between them this sign equal to 5x equal 20. It's equation. Question 59. 30 less than if, its meaning if subtract by 30, because 30 less than if it called it the median, and 30 is a subtrahend, equals what? Equals y. Question 60. 4 and space satisfies this equation. 4 and space satisfies this equation, meaning belonging to this equation y equal half x plus 2. We must put x equal 4 here. Then y will be half multiplication by 4 plus 2. Then y equal 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Then here y will be 4. Then the point here 4 and 4. You must write 4 here in the space, okay? Question 61. 9 over 2 is the set of natural number not belonging to. It should short here, must choose here not belonging to. Okay, doesn't belong. It should choose letter B about question 61, because 9 over 2 it's a rational number, not natural number. Natural number, it's meaning 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity, but natural number, the difference between natural number and rational number. Rational number, it refers to number lies in the fraction, numerator and denominator, such that A over B, which B not equal 0, but natural number lies beginning 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity, okay? So choose letter B, doesn't belong to. Question 62. Space is categorical data. Categorical, it's meaning numbers here, age number, weight number, but categorical use words. Choose letter D. Categorical data, it's meaning use words. Choose letter D. Question 63. Space is the numerical data. Numerical data, it's meaning using numbers where exam degree. Okay, choose letter C, exam degree. Question 64. The least common multiple of any two different prime number, it will be their product. The product of them, it shows letter B. About question 64, choose letter B. Because least communication between two different prime numbers, such as 2 and 3, if you want to find the least communication between 2 and 3, you must find the product of them. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the least communication of any two different prime numbers, it will be the product of them times them, okay? 65, the dividend in 321 divided by 12 equal 26, and the remainder 9. The dividend here 321. Question 65, we asked about the dividend. 321, we call this the dividend, but it's the divisor here 12. 12 is divisor, and 26 is a quotient, and 9 here is the remainder. Question 66. Space here is the better measure to the center of the data without outlier. Without outlier point, always we have with outlier, we must use the median. If we have the outlier value, you will find the different result of the mean. Okay, so you must choose the median. If we have outlier value, you must choose what? Median. You will get the exact number if you use here the median. Okay, but if you found the mean of all values where the outlier in the numbers or the number line greatest or smallest, it will be changed the value of the range. Okay, the range will be greatest if we have outlier to right hand side and all sides here, point here to left hand side, and this point the outlier if coming to right hand side, then the outlier will be changed the result of the mean. Then the mean here will be increased. But if all the point right here to right hand side and the outlier to left hand side, so the result of this number will be what? Will be decreased. The mean will be decreased here, and here the mean will be increased. But you must find what? The median. If you find the median about is all values. When you have outlier, then the result will be exactly, but if you get the mean, the result will be increased or decreased. Okay, question 66, 67. Which of the following nearest to 0? Nearest to 0 here, it will be what? It will be -1. It's nearest to 0. Nearest to 0, we have in the number line here 0, -1. -1 nearest to 0, because the difference between them, it will be 1. Okay, the distance between absolute value from -1 and 0, the distance between them, it will be what? It will be 1. Question 68. The best subset from the number 0 here, the number 0 is belonging to natural number. Choose letter D. Question 69. Which of the following is greatest number here? Greatest number must choose the positive. 5.3. 5.3 greatest number here, but we have negative. Okay, choose letter D. Question 70. Which of the following is the smallest number? -3.2. It's the smallest number because we have a long distance between this number and 0 coming to left hand side. Question 71. The best subset from the number -3, it will be what? Integer. Choose letter C. -3 belonging to integer's number. Understood? We know -7, we can write it -7/1. Belonging to rational numbers. Then question 72. The range can't be found using what? If we have histogram. If we have histogram, we can find the range. Okay, choose letter B. Question 73. The mean of 8, 6, x5 is 5. Then x, we will write here 73. We know the mean equals the sum of all values divided the number of the values. We can write 8 plus 6 plus x plus 5 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum of all values divided the number of the values equal 5. Then 4 times 5, it will be 20. And 4 plus 6 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 14. Plus 5, it will be 19. 19 plus x equal 20. Then x here will be 1. Okay, choose letter A. Next question. 74. The mean of the value. We can find sum of all values. 54 divided by 32 plus 32 plus 30 plus 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 30, 34. And 34 plus 32, it will be 66. Plus 54. 60 plus 4 equal 10. 0 and carry 1. 7 plus 5, it will be 12. The result will be 30. Okay. The mean here, it will be 30. Question 75. The least multiplication of 5 and 15. We know 15 can be divided by 5. Then 15 is the least multiplication between two numbers. Okay. Because 15 can be divided by 5. 15 we called it least common multiplication, and 5 we called it greatest common factor between two numbers. Question 76. The greatest common factor of 5 and 15, it will be 5. Okay, because 15 can be divided by 5. Question 77. The common factor of all number, it will be 1. Any number can be divided by 1. Question here. 78. If the cost of one ticket is h and the total cost 5 tickets m, then the independent variable here, it will be what? We must find the independent. It will be h. Understood? It's the independent because the cost, it will be h. H is the cost. Equal the total cost of 5 tickets. 5 tickets. 5 multiplication the price of 1. Then the independent here, it will be what? In this example, the cost of one ticket each. Again, this example, repeat with me here. If the cost of one ticket each, in the total cost of 5 tickets is m, then m will be 5 multiplication by h, because h refers to the cost of one ticket. Then he won't find here the independent. The independent here, it will be h. Write h here. Okay, the result here will be h. H independent. Choose letter B. Question 79. If the cost of the ticket h, then the total cost of 5 tickets will be what? He won't find the total cost of 5 tickets. It will be 5 multiplication by h. Here, the total cost will be 5h. Question 80. Here, the order pair which satisfies the equation y equal x plus 2, where the order can satisfy this. If we put x equals 0, then y will be 2. 0 plus 2 equal 2. Then you must choose letter A. Question 81. Which of the following numerical expression? Numerical refers to two numbers. In the example, choose letter B. We called it numerical expression, but letter A we called it algebraic expression, and letter C algebraic expression, letter D algebraic expression. Question 82. Which of the following algebraic expression? It will be what? It will be 3h. 3h we called it algebraic expression because we have letters here, the verbal form. Question 83. The integer which comes just after -1, it will be 0. Just after -1, it will be 0. Choose letter E. Just after its meaning, add 1 to the number. -1 plus 1, it will be 0. Then the result will be 0. Okay. Question 84. The integer that is 1 less than 0. 1 less than 0, its meaning -1. Subtract 1 from 0, it will be 0 minus 1, it will be -1. Okay, the integer that is 1 less than 0, it will be -1. Question 85. All counting numbers are also rational numbers. It should letter B, because any count number we can write in the format such that 7. 7 we call it counting number. We can write is 7 over 1, and 7 over 1 is belonging to rational number, because this form here we can write A over B such that B not equal 0. It's a form about rational numbers. Okay. Question 86. Absolute value of -10 greater than space absolute value of -10, it will be 10, and 10 will be greater than here -9, absolute value of -9.99. Then 10 will be greater than 9.99. Choose letter A. Okay. Question 87. 5 product by 8 plus space times 7 is numerical expression. You must choose what to be numerical. You must write 5. Put 5 here to be numerical expression. Numerical expression is meaning all terms contains of numbers only, not write letters here. Okay, don't write algebraic or any expression here letters. Okay. Question 88. 5 times 8 plus space times 7, we called it algebraic expression. You must write letters. Choose letter B. Right here 5m. Okay, right here 5m. Question 89. Adding 5 to third number. 5 plus third number such that x, it will be 5 plus 3x or 3x plus 5. Okay, question 90. The distance between -6 and its opposite number line, it will be what? We have here -6 and 6. The distance between them, it will be 12. We can find the distance between -6 and 6. Absolute value is difference between them. -6 minus 6, it will be absolute value of -12. It will be 12. Okay, the result here will be 12. Okay, question 91. Absolute value of -15 equal m, then m equal 15. Question 92. Here, absolute value of -x equal 5, then x here equal 5. Question 93. The number of terms expression 6d plus 2 minus 5n plus 4 is how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have here 4 terms. Okay, question 93. Understood? Count with me. Here it was divided. Sorry, it was divided by 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 terms only because the sign was divided. Question 94. Space the like terms in the expression 2f plus 2 minus 2k minus 8. Like terms here, it will be 2 and negative 8. 2 and negative 8 here. Okay, the like terms here, 2 and negative 8. Okay, question 95. The constant in the expression 6d plus 2 minus 5n. The constant here will be 2. 2, we called it the constant, okay? Question 96. The coefficient in the expression 6d plus 2, the coefficient here will be 6. It's coefficient. Question 97. The balance mean means the mean of the data here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. The balance here will be what? Cancel here, it will be 4. 4 is the balance, it's meaning the number lies in the middle between them. Shows letter C, it's 4, okay? Understood? Question 798. Space is another name for the mean, the balance. Mean, we called it average of the balance, okay? Average, it's meaning the mean. The mean equal average, or we can call it arithmetic mean, or we can call it sum of all numbers divided by the number. Okay. Question number 2, complete. Number 1, 6 cubed. Question number 2, 5 squared. Question number 3, 5 power 2 plus 6 minus 2 power 3. It will be 25 plus 6 minus 8. 25 plus 6, it will be 31. 31 minus 8, it will be what? 11 minus 8, it will be 3. And write 23. The result here will be 23. Question number 4. If the number of chicken owned is t, the number of chicken owned is t, and the number of eggs collected daily is h, the independent variable here, it will be what? It will be t, the number of chicken. Okay, the number of chicken owned is t. Owned to be, it's meaning what? Reverse to this number t, and the number of eggs, it will be h. So the number of each depends on the number of chicken. Then question number 4, write the number of chicken here t. This sign t versus the number of chicken. You want to find independent what? T. So the number of eggs collected here depend on what? Depend on t, the number of chicken. Understood? Again, the number of eggs depend on the number of chickens. In the number of chicken, we called it independent. Okay, independent. Question number 5. The lower quartile for this data, we have 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15, 20. You want to find the lower quartile here. We have 10, we called it the median, and 15 upper quartile, and 7 lower quartile. Then the 7 will be lower quartile. The result will be 7 here. It's lower quartile. Question 6. The graphic shows gaps and cluster. It will be a dot plot. dot plot, choose gaps and clusters. Gaps and clusters. Okay, we called it dot plot. Question number 6, write dot plot. Question number 7, the graphic shows distribution and spread. Distribution and spread, we called it box plot. Box plot. What about distribution? We called here the distance here. Distribution will be box plot. But gaps and cluster, the distance here we cluster, and the gaps, we call the gaps and these clusters using dot plot. Question 8. The upper quartile of the value, we have 7, but you must arrange all the values about question 8 here, right? 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. 6 is the median, and 1 we called it lower quartile, and 7 upper quartile. The upper quartile here, it will be 7. The result will be 7. Okay, it's a upper quartile. Question number 9. Here, the median of the value, we must arrange all the values ascendingly to find the number lies in the middle. 1, 2, we have here repeating about 2 here, 1, 2, we have 0, 1, 2, and 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 5, 6, 6, again, 7, 10, 12. Cancel number by number, and number by number, number by number, number by number. Then 5 plus 6, it will be 11. 11 divided by 2, it will be 5.5. Next question, number 10. If the upper quartile of the value is 18.5, then x will be equal what? We have all values here. He give us the values here, and the value of what? The upper quartile. Okay. First step, we must arrange all the values and write upper quartile. Arrange, write x plus 10, x plus 11, x plus 12, x plus 13, no, x plus 14, x plus 14 again, x plus 15, x plus 16, 17, 16 here, x plus 17. He tells us the upper quartile of all values is 18.5. Then we can cancel number by number, number by number, number by number. Then we have two numbers here. Okay, in the middle, we call this the median sum of two numbers divided by 2. Then we can divide it two parts here, and choosing x plus 14 here and x plus 15, x plus 16, we can find here, he tell us where the upper quartile. The upper quartile will be quarter 3. It will be the sum of two numbers divided by 2, right? X plus 15 plus x plus 16 divided by 2. It will be what? It will be 18.5. Okay, right? 18.5. And x plus x, it will be 2x. 15 plus 16 equal 5 plus 6 equal 11. 1 and the carry of 1. 2 plus 1 equal 3. And 2 times 18.5. 2 times 5 equal 10. 0 and the carry of 1. 2 times 8 equal 16 plus 1 equal 17. 7 and the carry of 1. 1 times 2 equal 2 plus 1 equal 3. Then 2x plus 31 equal 37. You must cancel 31 by moved it to left hand side. From left hand side to right hand side, 37 minus 31. Then 2x will be the difference between two numbers. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Then you can divide it by 2 to find the value of x. here divided by 2, then x will be 3. Okay, there's a value of x here, it will be 3 about this example. Okay, but understood this example? You must know steps. Okay, you must arrange all the value and choose the upper quartile and the equality 18.5, and then using the rule product of extremes equal product of means to find the value of x. Question number 11. If 5x equal 20, then half x equal what? 5x equal 20, then x here will be 4, because 4 times 5 equal 20. Then half of x, half of 4, it will be 2. Question 12. 100 x equals 0, then x here will be 0. Then 12x, it will be 12 times 0, it will be 0. The result will be 0. Okay, question 13. 100x equal 100, then 12x will be what? 100x equal 100, then x here equal 1, because 100 times 1 equal 100. Then 12x, it's meaning 12 times 1, it will be 12. The result here will be 12. Okay, it was question 13. Question 14. Understood? Question 12, the result here 0, and the result here 12. Question 14. X over 5 equals 6, then x will be 5 times 6, it will be 30. Question 15. 3m equal 15. We can divide it by 3, then n will be 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Then in here equal 5. Question, okay, in here equal 5. Question 16. X plus 5.4 equal 7.8, then x will be 7.8 subtract by 5.4. Then x will be the difference between two numbers. Here 8 minus 4, it will be 4, and 7 minus 5 equal 2. The result will be 2.4. Question 17. 7x equal 28, then x here will be equal 4. Then you want to find half of x, half of 4, it will be 2. The result here equal 2. Question 18. If equals the product of m and 6, if equal product of m and 6, it will be 6m. Question 19. The inequality that represent a negative integer, it will be x less than 0. X less than 0 reverse to what? X less than 0. It will be negative integers, or you can write here x less than or equal to negative 1. Okay. Question 20. We use space to see exactly how many times each individual values occurs. We can use here the mood. But using what to see exactly how many times each individual values occurs, the most repeating, use dot plot. Okay, we can use dot plot. About graphical, it's an easy method to find what? To find the mood. What about how many or how times individual values occurs? It's meaning what's the number the most repeating. Look at the dot plot to find the mood. The mood, it's meaning this number the most repeating, or we can find each individual values occurs. Question 21. 21, the inequalities that represent positive integers, they represent positive integer, it will be x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, or x greater than 0. Positive integers. Okay. Question 22, the smallest natural number, it will be 0. Question 23, the inequalities that represent the non-negative integers. Non-negative, it will be x greater than or equal to 0, because 0 non-positive and non-negative. Okay, beginning by 0. And the question 24, non-positive integer, it will be x, what here, less than or equal to 0, because it will be non-positive. Non-positive, it will be 0, and the -1, -2 to infinity. Question here 25. The graph shows the 5 numbers symmetry. We can use the box plot. You can use it to find 5 number summary. Question 28. We use box plot. Question it was 25. Okay. 26. The graph shows the set of data from intervals. Use histogram using it when I have in the example intervals. Okay, intervals we can use histogram. Question 27. Twice x added to 7, we must 7 plus what? Twice x, it will be 2x added to 7 equals y. It will be equal y, or you can write y equal 2x plus 7. Okay. Question 28. M equal 5d minus m, the unverbal form. We can write here m equals 5 times d decreased by 5, or question 28, m equal the product of 5 and d subtract or less 5. Okay, we can write here m equals 5 less than 5 times d. 5 times what? D. Question 29. In the equation d equal 5 over 9. 5 over 9n minus 8 is a dependent variable. Dependent variable here, it will be d. D here we called it dependent. Understood? We have dependent and independent. Question 30. The verbal phrase of k plus 10 equal 12. K plus 10 equal 12. We can write 9 more than 10 equals 12, or the sum of a number k, and 10 equals 12. We can write 12 equals the sum of k and 10. Question 31. 20 more than v equal m. 20 more than 12 plus. Question 32. The rule multiply by 8 if x equal 4, then y will be what? Y equal here, he tell us the rule here multiply by 8, y equal 8x. Put x equal 4, then y equal 8 multiplied by 4. 8 divided by 4, it will be equal to. Question 33. 4 more than s equals t in the equation. 4 plus x plus s equal t. We called it the equation. Okay. Question 34. The word phrase of h equal eg, we can write here h equals 8 times j, dj. Okay. H equals 8 times j, or h equals the product of 8 and 9 and j. Okay. Question 35. The ordered pair which satisfies this rule, y equal x plus 5. We have 1 and what? Put x equal 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 and 6. Okay. The result here 1 and 6. Question 36. In the rule y equal 4x, if x equal 1.5, then y equal 4 times x, 4 times 1.5, it will be 6. Then the value of y here equals 6. Question 37. The verbal phrase twice m add to 4 equals 8. We can write here, we can write double or twice as you like. Okay, twice m add to 4 equals, or added to 4 equal 8. Next question, 38. 5 subtracted by 3 and 2 over 5. We can convert from whole number to a mixed number, right? 4 and 1 equal 5 over 5, subtracted by 3 and 2 over 5. 4 minus 3 equal 1, and 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2 equal 3, and write 5 in the numerator. The result will be 1 and 3 over 5. Question 39. Z equals the sum of adding 12 to the product of 4 and y. Z equals the sum of adding 12 to the product of 4 and y. Question 40. The dependent variable here at e equal 4p plus half. We called it what here? Dependent. It will be e. E here the dependent and the b independent. Question 41. Space equal maximum subtracted by minimum. It will be the range. The range equal maximum subtracted by minimum. Question 42. The maximum values of this numbers here, we must write the next number here, maximum. Okay, it will be 9. Okay, 9 is the maximum. Question 43. The favorite colors, the number of birds are, we here categorical data. We have numerical and categorical. Categorical contains of letters. We write categorical. Okay, question 44. If the mean of 5 values is 15, then the sum of the values, we can find the sum of the values divided the number equals the mean. It's the rule. Then he give us the number of the values about how many 5 values, right? 5 here is the number, 9, 5 is the number, and is 15 is the mean, and we want to find the sum. The sum will be what? 5 product by 15. 5 times 5, 25, right? 5 and the carry up 2. 1 times 5 equal 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. The result will be 75. Okay. Next question, 45. The marks of 6 pupils in one test 25, 33, 50, وهكذا. Okay. 249. Then that marks equal, you want to find the range. Okay. To find the result about this question 45, you must find the maximum and the minimum to find the range. Maximum subtract by minimum. Maximum number here 57, and smallest number here 29. 17 minus 9 equal 8, and 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then the result will be 28. Next question 46. The number of integers between -5 and -1, we can counting the number. We have -4, -3, -2. We have 3 numbers. Then the number here, it will be 3. Okay, counting the number lies between -5 and -1, it will be 3. We have 3 numbers. Understood? Again, -4, -3, -2. We have 3 numbers. Question 47. The smallest counting number is 1. 1 is the smallest counting number. Question 48. We have the order operation. Find the value about this expression. For x equal 3, we have 2x power 2 subtract by 2 times 3 plus 3 power 2, 8x equal 3. We must put x equal 3 in this expression. 2 here. Multiplication by 3 power 2, it will be 9. Subtract by 2 times 3, it will be 6. Plus 3 power 2, it will be 9. Okay, 2 times 3 power 2 here 9. 2 times 9 it will be 18. Subtract by 2 times 9, subtract by 6. Let's turn in parentheses first. 6 plus 9 it will be 15. 18 minus 15 it will be 3. The value here it will be 3 about question 48. Question here 49. If the price of one pen is 6 pounds, then the price of X pen it will be 6 times X. It will be 6X, the total. Question 50. If the price of 10 pens is X pounds, then the price of one pen, we can divide them. Divide the total cost, it will be X divided the number of pens, it will be X divided by 10. We want to find the price of one pen divided the cost by the number of the 10. Number of the pens here it will be 10. Question 51. In 5 power 4 the base is 5. 5 power 4, 5 we called it base, and 4 we called it exponent. Okay, 5 is base and 4 exponent. Next question.